You know, people spend their whole lives trying to get somewhere fast. Digital clocks and highway speeds. But out here time doesn't march, it drifts. This old truck, she's got a bench seat that's seen more sunsets than a travel agent. And a speedometer that treats 60 like a suggestion. There's no GPS on the dash. Just the way the light hits the tree line tells me if I'm heading home. Living in the slow lane isn't about being late. It's about finally being present. It's noticing the way the dust dances in the rearview mirror, or how the air smells different when you cross a creek bed. Out on these country roads, you realize the world is plenty big enough without having to rush through it. So let 'em pass, let 'em honk. I've got a window rolled down and a gear that's just right, and nowhere else I'd rather be.